This keyboard promises a whole new way to interact with your computer, but can it actually deliver on that promise? We're looking at the CDMXMVUR S89020, a membrane keyboard that boasts integrated touchpads. Right out of the box, the build feels surprisingly solid for a membrane keyboard. The color is a simple, one-color design, which might not be flashy, but it blends in well on any desk. The real story here, though, is those touchpads. Instead of traditional keys, you have a smooth surface that responds to your touch. It's definitely a departure from the norm, and at first, it feels a little strange. Typing on it is an adjustment, the membrane feel is there, but the lack of physical key travel takes some getting used to. It's quiet, which is a definite plus if you're in a shared space. Now about those touchpads. They're positioned where you'd expect your trackpad to be, but they're integrated into the keyboard itself. This means you can theoretically control your cursor without ever lifting your fingers from the home row. For certain tasks, like navigating through documents or scrolling web pages, it's surprisingly intuitive once you get the hang of the sensitivity. It feels like a more seamless workflow, almost like a built-in trackball but with a touch interface. However, for precision work, like photo editing or gaming, it's a different story. The lack of tactile feedback makes it harder to make those minute adjustments. It's definitely a trade-off. The CDMXMVUR brand isn't one you see every day, but they've certainly tried to innovate here. The overall impression is that this keyboard is for a specific user. If you're looking for a quiet typing experience and want to streamline your navigation, especially for productivity tasks, this could be an interesting option. It's not for everyone, and gamers or heavy typists might find it frustrating, but for its intended purpose, it's a unique and functional piece of tech. It's a bold move away from traditional keyboard design, and while it has its quirks, the integrated touchpads offer a glimpse into a different kind of computer interaction.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.